Hi, my name's David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial in freecodeCamp on how to change the color of the text. So in this tutorial, we want to learn how to change the text within the HTML. We're later going to learn how to do it in a different CSS style file, but for this purpose, we can do it in the HTML. And we're going to learn that there's multiple ways you can do this. So this is just one of them. So this example is a common syntax of it. So you put the heading to, and then style indicating that it's going to be style, and then the color is what property you want to adjust, and then blue with is what it is. And there's a huge list of possible documentation on what you want to change, and you don't memorize these all. You look it up every single time. Well, you look them up as needed. So for this exercise, we want to change the H2 element so that its text color is red. So we go and find the H2 element, right? And we just kind of copy this model. So H2, so in between this, before it closes the opening tag, we type in style equals color colon red semicolon. And that's it. We can see how this is red now. Thank you.